Have you heard about this new trend called vibe coding? You know, the process where you generate all of your source code with one AI prompt, say a prayer, and ship it to production. Sounds great. The only problem though, you spend a lot of money on that one prompt just for living with a code impossible to debug, and an application with so many bugs you'll never be able to fix without another expensive prompt. That's exactly where Brage comes in, the ultimate tool for automated code generation powered by proven algorithms with no AI on any part of the process. No surprises, just reliable, consistent, and debug-friendly code for your Express APIs and SQL databases to begin with all the outputs being idempotently. That means for the same inputs you always get the same outputs, leaving with a code that's expected, well written, and way easy to debug and work afterwards. So what's the secret sauce? You write your SQL queries in database schema, and the package does the heavy lifting. It parses the files using regex, extracts the necessary data, and then spits out clean, structured root code, ready to run. No debugging nightmares, simple, predictable, and zero AI trickery. To start on, just hit npm create-brage. You've gotta have NodeJS installed. Choose the name of your project and hit enter. Open it on VS Code and you'll see an Express template ready to work with a MySQL DB. If you look at the package.json, you'll see the Brage package on the dependencies and on the scripts ready for us to use it. So let's run npm install and get Brage and other dependencies ready. So let's say we want to create a clients table on a given DB. We create a new folder on the app dir with the name clients and a new file called table.sql and define our schema with an ID, name, email, and other necessary fields. Then we define the queries that the table is gonna receive on a file called queries.sql. Things like getting the name and email by ID, adding a new client, changing its email address, and removing an existing one. Now that the table and queries are ready, let's go to terminal, type npm run build. That's gonna execute the Brage command to generate the root for the new clients on the app folder. Check the server folder here. You'll see only a healthcare folder inside it. Now let's run the command we just typed and see the magic. A new clients folder created with a bunch of files inside it. Let's check each one of them. Before anything, it's worth mentioning that Brage generates 6 files per root, since it uses separation of concerns and dependency injection patterns, so devs can edit the parts of the API on a well-architected code. Open the clients.validation file. Here we'll see that it exports a class for data validation powered by Zod, defining a schema that got generated by the table.sql content. It has each field of the table assigned to its corresponding type or union of types if the field accepts null values. And below it we'll have the validation methods, one for each query, grabbing all the fields that the query needs with peg method. And at the bottom there's the same thing but with every field with type string. That is gonna be used on the get roots since there all the data comes in the form of strings. Open the clients.mydolor file. We'll see another class that utilizes the validation methods we've seen before. In this case, the string type of validations. That takes every field like string. And after the validation, it transfers the data to its corresponding type on the database table. Here, it transforms it to a number since the ID is always a number on any DB. Open the clients.queries file, and we'll see nothing special here. Just each query we wrote on the clients folder is structured on a JavaScript object ready to use in the root model. We're almost there, we're already halfway. Open the clients.model file. Here is where the fun starts. It uses the connection pool handler to send each query we wrote with its recovered data to the database and return the response. Open the clients.controller file. We'll see the validation methods used before using the model we saw before, getting the response and sending it back an unstructured API message with data. Open the clients.rar file and finally we'll see how the model is being inserted on the controller, how the middlewares are being used on every GET request, and how each root is being assigned to a name of the query we define. And at the end of the queue we have the app.js file that also got modified after running the Brage command, routing each new root to the main Express app. And the index.js or point of entry, where the pull connections get created and inserted on the models, and where each model is sent to the main app to ultimately start the Node server. To sum up, instead of creating the whole root manually to interact with the clients table, we just define the table and queries in plain SQL. Brage takes it and gives you the node code to use those queries on that table. And now, if we wanted to add some extra processing or auth words on some routes, we can go ahead and do so, since the code generated is easy to edit and understand. And that was a quick overview on the basic form of the Brage package. Don't give it a thumbs up, just go straight to your terminal, type npm create-brage and leave the matrix. See you later, have a nice day.